Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. And happy days always. Ayan. Time check is 4:10. Late na ako nakalabas. And our weather for today is about 11 degrees. So, ayun lang. Malamig pa. Rain dito sa labas. Pero sa loob ng bahay ay mainit na. Pinapawis na ang aking likod. So, that's it at the moment. And see you later after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. So, yan ang OOTD of the day. Yan. Kaya dito tayo sa gitna ng main road nagdadaan dahil tahimik ang paligid. Diba? See you when I see you everyone. Today is Tuesday, 29th of April. So, bye at the moment. Tayo everyone. Good morning sa mga aking mga kulig. Ayan, nagkakagulo sila sa paghahanap ng kanilang mga kagamitan.
Pag ininom mo yun, matagal ka na.
Binibisita ko lagi yung aking pekas kung ano. Ay, wala. Thank you, Lord. Di ba, sis?
Wala na.
Ayan, good morning, everyone. Time check, 9:01. Nandito na ako. Halfway sa papunta ng train station dahil andito ako sa gitna ng daan. Ayan. Dahil pag doon ang daming tao salu-salubong. Ayun. Hindi ako dumaan sa basement kasi mainit. Yan. Mainit doon. So dito maganda yung yung hangin, fresh air. Di ba? Taray, di ba? So, ayan. Yun lang everyone. See you later. Update everyone. Dito ako sa maraming escalator para hindi masyado mapagod sa paa. Ayan. Tapos, and then may lift din dito sa Westminster if you want to use the lift. And then I am going to platform 4 where na mag-jubilee. Ayun lang everyone. See you later. It is here already. Yeah, hanggang wilas din lang. It's okay. My favorite seat. Tawid tayo everyone sa pedestrian. I'm going sa daan ako sa Sainsbury everyone. Bili akong gulay. Gulay and gulay. Dito tayo everyone. Exotic lang. Bili tayo ng gulay. Inspired to cook. And everyone, nandito ako. Bili ako ng gulay. Pang stir fry. And then, have a look. Ito yung ginger, hindi pa naka-sale. Kaya, wag muna bumili. Pag nag-sale naman. And then, I wanna buy eklog. Ayun ang itlog. Ayun. Pero walang stock. Ay, hindi. Merong konti. So, that's it at the moment. See you later. And then, bread. Cooking pancit. Ha? Huh? Pancit. Pancit ka na ba? Ayan ang finished product ng aking niluto kanina. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo ay yung saute ng chicken. And then this one, kain tayo everyone. Ay, yung aking palang toast bread. Early lunch, sumabay sa akin. Kasi ako, gutom na talaga. Maaga ako nagbe-breakfast kaya. Kain tayo, everyone! Good afternoon, everyone! It's sunny day today. Look ang araw. Look ang araw. Kaya, OOTD of the day. Huwag kalimutan ng sombrero. Ayan everyone. Pasok tayo sa afternoon. Makapag-siesta ako ng 1, 2, 2 hours and a half. So, ayan lang everyone. See you later after to train. Ang ganda ng halaman na. Ang kintab niya. 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. Going to job site. Everyone. Bye-bye. Ayun si Jerson tsaka si Gianna. Tong! Ay, nagulo. Good afternoon. Jubilee line is here. So, it's already 3:35.
This station is Wilson Green.
My favorite. Let's see.
This train terminates at North West.
Second train going to Aldgate. Everyone is already here. Update 16:10 everyone. I'm here already at the building. So this is it. Boom. Ay, walang. Wala kasi. Tuesday today. Hi.
Hi, Yossi.
Yeah. How are you? I think they don't have today. The train is here. Jubilee line. It's open. Mind the gap.
This station is Finchley Road. Change here for the Metropolitan.
The floweret here in. Yan, dami, di ba? So, we on time. Nearly walking going home. Sa aking bodega. Kaya, yan madilim na. Na-late kami ng uwi dahil yung isang big boss doon ay napaka tagal lumabas. So, ayun. That's it at the moment. See you later, everyone. Dinner tayo, everyone. Watching Inday Garnet. YouTube. And bye pati tayo later, everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you all.